one of the most desirable colour combinations for this model, and benefiting from low mileage and a comprehensive servicing and maintenance regime, we're pleased to offer this superb late model 1998 V8 Coupe. The Aston Martin V8 Coupe adopted the styling cues and significantly the chassis improvements of the flagship V8 Vantage 550 supercharged model in an elegant and more subtly styled body. Built near the end of the coach-built era of car manufacturing, just 101 of the V8 Coupes rolled off the Newport Pagnell production line in total. Now, highly sought after, the V8 Coupe is a grand tourer par excellence and is refined with a luxuriously pointed interior, generous 2+2 seating and well-balanced body styling, attributes which, when combined with the model's effortless performance, give a superb grand touring experience. Chassis number 79091 is one of the very last cars built, is distinguished by the later style door mirrors and exterior door handles, as well as relocated power seat switches. Finished in Rolls-Royce Midnight Blue and complemented with parchment and Pacific Blue Connolly hides. This excellent example, much cherished by its 4 owners from new, is complete with a comprehensive Aston Martin service history from the original supplying dealer onward, with services carried out by Aston Martin Works and highly respected Aston Martin specialists. Purchased by its last owner but one from ourselves in 2016, an enthusiast and collector of the marque, more recently the car has been fitted with a new audio system and a new set of tyres by Surrey-based Aston Martin specialists. This particular car has also been immortalised and now features in the definitive Aston Martin V8 reference book, the Aston Martin V8 by Palawan Press. More exclusive and refined than its Virage and V8 predecessors, the hand-built and extreme low-volume production V8 Coupes warrant attention from enthusiasts and collectors alike. This late example is one of the finest we have known and is in particularly excellent order throughout. Supplied with an extensive history file, including servicing and MOT records, a manufacturer's build sheet and its original 1998 purchase invoice. This car is supplied, fully prepared to our usual high standards, by our own heritage technicians and is now on the button, ready to be enjoyed by its next custodian. Available now for viewing and inspection at our showrooms in Hertfordshire.